everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Gaggia Velasca here. So this machine was making a noise during the brewing, which usually comes from this valve behind the brew unit. So I did replace this valve and lubricated the gasket on the new part, and just to ensure that the machine is not making that loud squeaking noise, I lubricated the brew unit after I cleaned it and replaced the screen and gasket. Also, I wanted to show the old gasket here. As you can see, it was a bit brittle, so it broke when I took it out. And then after that, I descaled the whole machine, cleaned this part with a milk cleaner, backflushed the coffee system, or just rinsed it with coffee cleaner. Then I just cleaned the trays and wiped down the whole machine, made sure everything's nice and clean. So I'm going to pull a shot here just to show you everything's working. There you can see we have nice crema, really nice shot of espresso here. And that's about it for this video. So if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.